Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So finally friends, it is unboxing video of the Redmi K40 device. So recently the Poco, they did tweet about the upcoming phone from the Poco, which is the Poco F3. So which is exactly same specifications of the Redmi K40 device friends. So I did not have the Poco F3, but I am fortunate enough to have this Redmi K40 with me. So I'll be testing in-depth reviews on this Redmi K40 because Redmi K40 is exactly the version of the Poco F3 device, which is a rebranded version. So right now today I decided to do more than 100 videos friends in the next couple of 10 days. So for the 10 days I'll try to upload more than 100 videos on this Redmi K40. So it's like a big challenge for me as well. So I know the quantity doesn't matter. The reason I am doing this many videos as soon as possible because in the upcoming days you should know everything about this device. So that is my main motive about doing so many videos, and these are day one chart. So every day I'll try to write in this small stick notes. So I'll try to write day 1, day 2, day 3 and all the videos which I'm trying to do on that day. So these are day 1 video friends of this using the Redmi K40. So I started to do with the unboxing video. So let me try to unbox friends, and meanwhile so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my channel friends. Definitely I'll try to create the special playlist only for this Poco F3 and the Redmi K40 device. So I'll be keeping on saying sometimes even the Poco F3 because the phone is exactly the same version of this Redmi K40 device. So that's why both phones will have the exactly same specifications, all the things. So even I'll try to test a lot of things like comparing with other smartphones in terms of the display, camera and battery life and all the things like build quality and other factors. So let me try to open the box friends. As you can see, the box is coming. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends, and also do follow me regularly because every day I'll try to upload 10 videos. So you might be able to only get notified for the first 3 videos. So other videos you won't get any notification. So the only way to connect me with me is that every day try to check my YouTube channel. So to check my videos which I uploaded recently every day, you will get to know all the details about this device friends. As I said, only few videos will be displayed every day. You will get the notifications. So here is the box. You do get the case, and it is the SIM card pin. As you can see friends, you do get the SIM card pin, and the case is of, let me try to show you what type of case we got. Is it complete transparent or what? So it's a complete transparent case, so it's not that strong enough. So it's completely flexible. As you can see, it's easily flexible. And here is the phone. So I did try to get the Redmi Note 10 Pro, but my friend has got the Redmi Note 10 Pro, so that's why I was able to get the Redmi Note 10 Pro videos, couple of them possible. So it is a complete phone friends. It is a phone, as you can see. So I did order the black color. So let me see what are the other things in the box. We do have the charger, which is of 33-watt charger, and is the cable. So I'll leave them aside. So it is a phone. I'll try to boot up the phone and I'll try to show you the specifications what the phone has got, the Redmi K40 here. So let's start with the basic specifications. The phone has a Snapdragon 870 processor. So 870 processor and 6.67 inches screen size with the 120Hz Super AMOLED panel. And the first impression of holding this device is wow. So definitely it feels very light. I got used to that big phones and big and bulky phones. So this phone feels very light. The reason is because the weight of this phone is only, I think, 196 grams. As you can see, 196 grams. So Super AMOLED 120Hz HDR 10 plus certified 870. These are 8GB RAM variant, 8GB and 128GB variant, and 48 megapixel camera on the back side, and 8+5. And it can record 4K 30, and front camera is of 20 megapixels. Stereo speakers, dual speakers. I'll try to test that one as well. And 4500 mAh of 520 mAh of battery. So these are the few specifications about the device friends, and right now the device is completely booting up. So I'll try to do so many videos on this phone in the future as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends. As I said, I'll try to upload a maximum as much as I can. I'll keep the target as 10 videos per day, and I'll see how it's going. But definitely I'll try to upload as many as videos possible friends. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.